Hello guys, welcome to Tech Kizak's channel, and in today's episode we're gonna learn the following topics and you can find the timestamp in the description box. So let's start. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. Today we will learn about insert option under the home tab. So if you're new to Excel, you need to watch this video. So first of all, we have insert cell option. For example, I want to insert a cell. I will go over here and click insert cell. It added new cells above the selected cell. Then we have insert sheet rows. This will insert full row above the currently selected row. If I click on this, as you can see here, it inserted a full row above the selected row. There is a shortcut to add row quickly above your selected row is Control Shift plus plus plus. So you can press the plus button how many times you want to add the new row. If you keep pressing it, it will keep adding the rows. Let's undo these actions by clicking here. After the row, we have insert sheet columns. This will insert a full column to the left of the selected column. You can use it when you want to add a new field or category in your data. Let's undo this action, and then we have insert table row above. This will insert the row above the selected row. Then we have insert table column to the left. This is same as insert sheet columns. Insert table column to the left. This will add column to the left. Let's undo this, and then we have insert sheet. This will add a new sheet, your workbook. You can use it when you need a fresh sheet for your new data calculation or summaries. So hopefully you understand the insert option under the home tab in Excel. So you can practically use this when adding a new row to your monthly data, inserting a new column for formulas or notes, adding a sheet for reports or charts, and adjusting a layout without overwriting the existing data. So hopefully you understand today's video. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, are you new to Excel? Welcome to Excel series. Today we will learn about delete under the home tab. So what this option can do, let's explore. So if I click on the drop down of delete, I can see all these options. Let's try these options and see how do they work. So for example, let's select cell and then go to the delete option, and here we have delete cell option. This will delete the specific cells you selected and then adjust the layout automatically. If you click on this, it deleted the whole cell and shifted all the rows accordingly. Let's undo this and then go back again to delete. Now we have delete sheet rows. This will delete the entire row of the selected cell and other row will shift up. Let's click on this. As you can see, deleted the previous row and shifted all the rows up. Let's undo this, and now we have delete sheet columns. This will delete the selected column. So as you can see here, it deleted the selected column. Let's undo this. Then we have the option delete sheet rows. This will delete the selected row. If I click on this, it's deleted the selected row. Let's undo this. It deleted this row and we got it back by undo button. Let's go over here again. Now we have delete table column. This is same as this one. Now if I click on this, it deleted the selected column. Let's undo this and try something else now. So we can use the delete sheet option when we want to delete the entire worksheet. You can use this when a sheet is no longer needed. If I click on this, it will give this warning that you want to delete permanently this sheet. You can click on delete. It will delete this sheet permanently, but I don't want to delete this permanently. So I will click on cancel. So deleting is permanent. Be careful not to remove important data. If unsure, consider using clear content instead. So this will only delete selected data, and you can undo this easily. So practical uses: removing empty or outdated data, deleting unnecessary columns like old notes or helper formulas, and cleaning up extra sheets to simplify your workbooks. So hopefully you understand today's video. If you understand today's video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, are you new to Excel? Welcome to Excel series. As we were learning about all the buttons under the home tab, today we are learning about format button. As we have different options in cell size, we have row height, auto fit row height, column width, auto fit column width, and default width. So row height, you can adjust the row height, specific height, you can add specific number. If I click on this box will appear, but it is very difficult to remember these measurements. So I will show you the easy way to adjust everything. But as we were learning about all the options, so I will tell you about every option after telling about all the annual options here. Then we have auto fit row height. This will adjust the height of the row. Then we have column width. This will adjust the column width. And then we have auto fit column width. This is same, but this is only you have to add the number. This is auto fit, and then we have default width. But for a beginner, don't mess about with these options. I will tell you a shortcut to adjust everything. So I had this data here. I want to adjust everything in just 2 clicks. So just click here. Can you see this small arrow? Click on this. Your entire worksheet is selected. Now come over here in between any column, this or this or this. I will come in between this column and double click on this. This will auto fit the width of the column, and then come over here for the rows. Anywhere in between here, I will go over here and double click. This will adjust everything for the rows. So hopefully you understand what are these options, but you don't need to use these options because we have a shortcut. Smarter, no harder. Hopefully you understand today's video. Press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. Are you new to Excel? Let's learn about all the buttons under Home tab. As we have previously learned about all the buttons, now we are learning about format buttons. So I have this data. Let's adjust the column width and height by just doing 2 clicks. If you click here in between any column partition and any row partition, it will adjust everything for you. Format button. As we have learned about all the buttons about cell size, now we will learn about visibility button. So in visibility button, we have different options. We have hide rows, hide columns, hide sheet, unhide rows, and unhide columns. So first of all, we have hide rows. Let's hide rows by clicking here or pressing Ctrl+9. So let's click here and hide the rows. So as you can see here, before we had 3 rows, now we have 2 rows. Now we can unhide this by going over here and going to hide and unhide and then go to unhide rows, and it's back now. Then we can do same with the column, like hide column. So it have hidden the column. Now go back, do the unhide column, it's back now. So you can hide the column by a shortcut Ctrl+0 or just clicking over here. And then we have option to hide sheet. So click on this, it will hide the whole sheet. Now if we go back over here and go to hide and unhide, and we have option unhide sheet. Now if I click on this, it will tell me the name of my sheet, and then I will select okay, it's unhide my sheet. Now before, when you don't have any sheet hidden, this option is disabled. This will only appear when you have some hidden sheet. So hopefully you understand how to use hide and unhide option to control rows, column or sheet to be visible or hidden from view. Hopefully you understand visibility option today. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. Are you new to Excel? As we were learning about all the buttons in Excel, today we will learn about format buttons and we will learn about organize sheet option. Organize sheet section is found under the format drop down in Home tab, and it includes option for managing how your worksheet is structured, such as visibility, sheet protection and other things, but we will only learn about organize sheet option. So first of all, we have rename sheet option. So this is a very clear option. We can tell by name it is used to rename the sheet. So we are now in sheet 6. If we click on this, now we can rename the sheet. And for example, let's rename this as employee. I rename this as employee data and then I will press enter. Now this sheet is renamed as employee data. Then we have other option. For example, move or copy sheet. For example, I want to move this employee data from this workbook to another workbook, or I can just move it. Moving means it will delete this data from this sheet and move to another sheet, and copy means it will create a copy. So you have one copy in the current worksheet and one copy in the next one. So for example, I want to move this from book 1. So I can move this from this workbook to book 1x or new workbook. Let's move this to new workbook and then create a copy, or if you just want to move, we want to create a copy because we don't want to delete this sheet from this workbook, and then select okay. Now we have this in new workbook. This option is very useful when you want to move data or copy data from one workbook to another workbook. That means you only want to copy one sheet. You don't want to copy the whole data. You just want one sheet in another worksheet. So this will be useful. And then we have tab color. This option is very useful. You can change the color of the tabs. For example, this tab, for example, we have employee data sheet and we have one more sheet, and then we have one more sheet as well. But I want to change the color of these tabs. So if I click on this and go to format tab, and here we have tab color, I can change the tab color to any color I want. I can create more colors. Let's change this to yellow. Now we have this tab color is yellow. Let's change this tab color. Go here, go to format and go to tab color. Let's change this to blue. Now we have yellow and blue. This is how you can change tab colors in your worksheet. Hopefully you understand organize sheet section. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. Are you new to Excel? Let's learn about how to protect your sheet. So there is a feature in Excel, protect sheet, that will let you lock the parts of the worksheet or full worksheet so others cannot change, delete or move things unless you allow them. For example, I want this sheet to be protected and don't want anybody to edit anything in this worksheet or to add something. So this will only be a read-only worksheet unless I give them password or I give them permission to edit it. So for example, I want to edit this worksheet. I will go over to Home tab and then go to Format, and here we have option to protect sheet. If I click on this, this will ask me to set a password. Let's set a password as 0123, and these are the things I can allow them. So I will only allow them to select the cell, but I will not allow them any other thing. And I will select OK. Now this is asking me to re-enter the password. So let's re-enter 0123 and then press enter. Now it's protected. Now this is only a read-only file. If I click on anywhere, this will appear. The cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make change, unprotect the sheet, you might be requested to enter a password. So to unprotect this sheet, go to format again, and here we have unprotect sheet option. So if I click on this, it will ask me the password. So what we have said the password is 0123, then press enter. Now it's unprotected. Now if I want to edit anything, I can edit. I can add new things. So hopefully you understand how to protect worksheet through read-only format. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this.